Hey guys, it's ChrisWatters. Welcome to my real estate video blog. In this episode, we're going to talk about whether now is a good time to buy or not. As most of you are probably well aware, interest rates have gone up significantly over the last 6 to 7 months. And you might be wondering, is now a good time to buy because the payment on my mortgage is going to be much higher than it was, for example, just 1 year ago. Okay guys, so all those buyers out there that are thinking about buying, I have to share a secret with you. One of the best times to buy is when everybody else is scared. And what I mean by that is there's a lot of buyers sitting on the sideline not taking advantage of home prices being really low right now. Home prices are down across Central Texas nearly 20%. That's a huge drop. We haven't seen that kind of drop in over a decade. And so we actually have this very short moment in time right now where you as a buyer or investor could buy a home at a discount. Now, guess what's going to happen when rates go back down? Well, home prices are going to go up, just like you probably guessed. So there's actually a very small moment in time right now where you can buy a property at an amazing price. You're not going to get into a bidding war, you're not going to overpay, and you're going to have the advantage of when rates go down, seeing a really nice upswing in appreciation. So if you're thinking about buying a home, be sure to use our website. You can search the MLS just like us as realtors. It gets updated minute by minute. And then if you want a backstage pass of all the properties that aren't yet on the MLS, just reach out to our office and ask for a coming soon list. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.